Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly lecture video. I'm beginning in the course unit for today's lecture video. I already ran through and talked about the instructions for the review article and web page. In this screencast video, I want to emphasize how important it is to view all the videos for important content. They would certainly fill in a lot of your questions that you may have. It's an efficient form of getting in some information. And then if you have some issues or some questions, you can send me an email. I want to begin here in chapter 7. I think it's important that everyone reads through the chapter sections that are listed. There's a lot of really significant information, important information about the genre we are writing and the project we are working on. So, for example, here in the introduction for chapter 7, it talks about how to establish a valuation, how to determine a set of criteria is how we go about um, analyzing or evaluating just about everything. I mean, obviously, if you looked at a restaurant, you look at food quality, service, price. Those are some of the criteria that we all review food service establishments on, right? So the idea here is to understand how we go about making these evaluations. In other words, you are offering your opinion. This is your thinking about a particular movie. In our instance here for the assignment, it could be a podcast, a TV show, whatever the genres are that we have listed there. Um, Video games. So, in other words, your opinion is based on your criteria, which is supported by the evidence. And the evidence is the primary source. Scenes, dialogue, storylines, those are the type of information that would serve as evidence. All right. So I think it's important to read the introduction and 7.1 in the textbook. I'll talk probably a little bit more about 7.3 later on next week and how we exactly put together the criteria. It'll be before the next discussion board is the next discussion board comes up. So speaking of discussion boards here, this week's discussion board will be just brainstorming idea, generating ideas about your possible topic. Once again, I'm looking for 3. We already have one posted. I think Mia has posted, right? Yeah, Mia has posted here for her topics. And one of the items that she brings up here is Grey's Anatomy. Great show. I have it reviewed many times for this assignment. Everybody, it has a large viewership from over the years. And I've probably been doing this review article, webpage assignment for about the last 5 years. One thing is a word of caution when you look at Grey's Anatomy or any TV show or series. You have to really determine what makes that show, that series successful. So you would be looking in this example at Grey's Anatomy. What makes it last for like 17, 18 seasons now? So it's difficult to try and evaluate seasons or episodes. What you would have to do in such a large topic as Grey's Anatomy or um, Breaking Bad or some of the other popular TV series, what makes it a really efficient and well-loved series? Is it the storyline, the ability to move characters in and out of episodes? The actors themselves seem to change out, but that the storyline connects season after season after season. No doubt it's a successful genre, all right? So that's just my thoughts on a genre, something like Grey's Anatomy. When you're a little bit broader, it's a little bit difficult to single in on what makes it a good series. Why has it lasted so long? And I think that is the how and why for that. So in this week's lecture video, just want to cover once again a little bit of the Chapter 7 content and thinking about what makes a good review, looking at criteria and evidence. So as you work through your generating ideas, try to keep these items in mind when you look at possible topics. And again, if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.